Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify cash management on SoFi Checking, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the SoFi app on your device. Log into your SoFi account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Select SoFi Checking from the list of accounts. In the SoFi Checking account section, locate the Cash Management feature. Tap on Cash Management to view the details. Review your available balance displayed at the top of the screen. Scroll down to find the Transactions section. Here, you can view recent transactions, including deposits and withdrawals. To verify a specific transaction, tap on it for more information. Check the transaction date, amount, and description for accuracy. If you need to monitor your spending, utilize the Spending Insights feature. This feature categorizes your expenses for better visibility. For a detailed report, tap on Monthly Spending. To verify your account settings, navigate back to the Accounts tab. Select Account Settings and review personal information and preferences. If you notice any discrepancies, contact SoFi customer support immediately. Ensure that two-factor authentication is enabled for added security. Regularly review your account to maintain effective cash management. For questions or further assistance, explore the SoFi Help Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.